This is a screencast to showcase a continuously delivered pipeline for an AWS website following Noah's Gift instructions in the Cloud Computing Foundations course in Coursera. The project was first forked from Noah's GitHub. It is for deploying a static website using Hugo, which is continuously deployed as changes are made in the repo. The EC2 instance is up and running to make changes in our project. We will use Cloud9 to manage those changes. S3 is a hosting bucket which has the static files for our website, and Codebuild is the one that integrates the changes as the repo is changed. This triggers the the integration of the website. So let's make some changes in our website, which currently is empty, by cloning our repo into our Cloud9 instance. We have our website, which is currently not deployed in our S3 bucket. But as we make some changes, for example, in the content, my first post, test 5, auto deploy, save that, git status, cd into the project. Let's add those changes in our GitHub project. Commit changes. We pushed our changes into the repo. Codebuild will automatically detect them. It is now deploying. And as a result, the S3 bucket will have the static files. Let's see. It finished successfully. S3 now has the static files, and if we refresh our web page, we have this should auto-deploy test 5. So we successfully deployed our web page.